This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your site. Create a full backup of files and the database because deleting a theme can break templates. Next, log into WP Admin and go straight to Appearance Themes. Once there, activate a safe fallback like a default WordPress theme. This prevents the active theme from locking files. Make sure you have FTP/SFTP or Hosting Control Panel credentials ready because you may need direct file access if the admin area becomes unavailable. Now remove the theme cleanly. In the Themes screen, click the theme you want to remove, open Theme Details, and hit Delete at the bottom right. WordPress will remove files and database entries tied to that theme. If the Delete button isn't present, connect via FTP or your host file manager and delete the theme folder inside /WP content/themes/. Also inspect any child themes, widgets, or menu assignments that reference the theme. Once done, update menus and widgets so the site. Finish by clearing caching layers, plugin cache, server cache, and CDN, and then test core pages on desktop and mobile to confirm layout and functionality. If the site shows errors or a white screen, revert using your backup and check PHP error logs or WP config. PHP debug output to identify missing template calls or functions. Make sure to remove any unused themes to reduce attack surface, and if you must reinstall a theme, use a fresh copy from a trusted source and keep it updated to avoid conflicts moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.